What up, guys? It's Cole. Holden with me. Nick's at home sleeping. He's been cleaning all day. Yesterday, we got the diverter valve intercom. Last weekend, got the boost gauge in its temporary home for right now. It works. We're running about on the drop. 13 PSI, which is normal for an EOS. Hopefully by end of summer we can have it upwards of 25, 30 PSI. It's a big step,
a big jump.
But I think we can handle that. Right now, like I said, Nick's at home sleeping. He was cleaning all day, so I just left him there. Yesterday we went and had our local vinyl guy make us a decal for the EOS because people in our town like to tailgate. Well, as you all know, 6 speeds like to roll back. So we went and had a bright yellow vinyl made that says "Caution, I roll back," made for the EOS. And hopefully pretty soon we'll get some YouTube stickers, Instagram stickers, and maybe we'll get a Iowa Gearheads decal made up and possibly do like a giveaway or have them for sale or whatever. But
so what I'm going to try and work on is I'm going to get us a website up, hopefully, where we can have some merch. Then you can look more about us and our page and everything, and more about
doing maybe an agenda.
Yeah. So we're going to try and get that up and going here in the next month and a half or so. Keep you updated on the website.
Also, we might have 2 to 3 new projects coming in. Well, not new, just ones we haven't introduced yet. You left posse marks. Yeah. Bro, stop dropping your phone. Looks like somebody did a 4-wheel drive burnout.
Space and perfect.
Shut the GoPro off.
Say what you want to say to it.
Alright, so this little car did that on the sand, and then these on dry pavement.
We are currently in Hucks for the first time since we put the boost gauge in it. The poor thing has not been driven. And we are on our way to find a couple tools to fix the surface rust on Hucks so we can paint it and then dip it. That'll be a surprise for you guys. We ain't gonna tell nobody what color we're doing. But we need to get a couple different sanding discs and some Bondo, clean up the front fenders. That way we can prime them, paint them, and then dip the car.
Oh, there goes that boost gauge.
Yeah. We're gonna,
Yeah, we'll fix that.
we got this. Anyway. See if I can get it to stick there again. Oh, look, the kiddos are letting out of school. Run them down. Diddle. So, boost gauge is kind of ghetto rigged in here right now. Our boost gauge is sitting right about there. And yes, it works. So, we've been fiddling with trying to figure out the best spot to put the boost gauge. So it does work. We did get it to work. We just have to properly mount it now. But we are on our way to go get some paint and sanding supplies. So we'll come at you a little later and
Update you on the process.
maybe update you on the process. We haven't decided if we want to update you yet. Just
I mean, like, not the coloring, but for rust removal, we could show them how bad it is.
I mean, it's not worn through yet. It's bubbling on the fenders, and we want to take care of it before it turns into something more. So currently, right now, where it's at, all we have to do is sand it down, take the rust away, put a little bit of rust treatment on it. It'll slow down the process. You can't really stop it in Iowa, but it'll slow down the process, and then we'll Bondo over it, sand it, primer it, repaint it the original color of the car, clear coat it, and when that's all said and done, we have a dip kit picked out, and Hux is gonna very shortly
Be a different color.
hopefully be a different color. But we're on the road, so again, this is Cole.
Nick,
Remember to hit the like
subscribe.
and make sure to leave us some comments. We'll see you later, guys.